Welcome, this is Dr. Bertalan Meskó. I'm the Medical Futurist, and as part of that role, for the last 20 years, I've been traveling around the world giving keynotes and speeches on stages in person and virtually. But since the publication of my new book, Your Map to the Future, I've taken this passion a step further. I started doing futures workshops with companies and organizations in medicine and healthcare. The reason why is that I want to use established futures methods with these teams so then they can navigate disruption, they can spot important future trends that might impact their organization the most, and in general, to see the future with confidence and a healthy vision. Here is how it works in practice. First, I have a one-on-one call with the leader of that company or organization because I need to understand their specific vision about the future of that organization, what kind of strategies they have in mind, what kind of fears or potential advantages they see on the field, in their industry, in their field of interest. Based on that, I can prepare for a normally 2 hours long virtual workshop. We assemble the team, the Avengers of that organization. Every single major role has to be represented, including the patient and physician's voices too. After we assemble the team, we go through the 2 hours long virtual futures workshop. I lead that, I describe the basic rules and details, we do some warm-up exercises, and then we dive into the future of that organization. We use scenario analysis, the futures wheel, vision writing. I think very practical methods with which we can start unfold what future awaits that specific company or organization and what strategies they should have in mind from today to get a higher chance to reach their desired futures. Yes, we also have to describe their actual desired futures. For example, I had a workshop with the Hungarian ambulance service, the world's biggest national ambulance service with almost 9,000 employees, and we described their vision for 2040. We analyzed how artificial intelligence will impact their services from emergency calls to triaging patients, how AI will change organizational processes, the healthcare workforce, how they should train them differently. We analyzed every single aspect of cultural and technological changes, so then the leadership today can start preparing for those futures on time with the right strategies and pieces of information behind them. What is the outcome of all that? First of all, hopefully an inspired team that we look at futures methods and foresight as a practical tool they can start using every day instead of something to fear, and a report that they can check out internally or share publicly if they want to. So, whether you are in healthcare, medicine, medical education, any parts of this amazing healthcare ecosystem, and you want to turn uncertainty into clarities and vision or risks into strategies, let's talk. Your future doesn't wait. Let's map it out together.